Welcome friends to my YouTube channel, Legal Information Law Insights. I am Advocate Mukund Mahajan. Today, I am going to discuss a very important and emotionally powerful judgment delivered by the Karnataka High Court in Sri Venkataiah versus the State of Karnataka and Others, decided on 2 February 2026. This judgment has raised a serious question. Is this decision shocking for senior citizens? Are elderly parents legally protected even when they own property? Can children claim a right to live in parents' house against their wishes? Let us understand this through a real-life legal story. Part 1. The story behind the case. Imagine an elderly father. After working hard his entire life, earning property, raising children, and fulfilling every parental responsibility, he expected peace in old age. But instead of peace, he faced disturbance inside his own home. This is exactly what happened to Sri Venkataiah, a senior citizen from Karnataka. He owned a residential property. The property was self-acquired. One of his children continued to occupy the house. Relationship deteriorated. The elderly father felt harassment, insecurity, and loss of dignity. Finally, he approached the authorities under the Maintenance and Welfare of Parents and Senior Citizens Act, 2007. He requested only one thing. Allow me to live peacefully in my own property. Part 2. Legal proceedings begin. Under the 2007 Act, senior citizens can seek protection through Maintenance Tribunal, District Authorities, Eviction remedies against abusive children. The competent authority examined the situation and passed an eviction order against the child occupying the premises. But the matter did not end there. The child challenged the order before the Karnataka High Court. And that is where the legal battle reached a crucial stage. Part 3. Core legal question before the High Court. The High Court had to answer. Can an adult child claim a legal right to stay in the property of parents? Does emotional relationship create legal ownership? Can senior citizens be forced to tolerate harassment in their own house? Part 4. Observations of the Karnataka High Court. The Karnataka High Court made strong and clear observations. 1. Right to peaceful living is fundamental. The court emphasized. Senior citizens have a right to live peacefully and with dignity. Old age protection is not charity. It is a legal right. 2. Ownership matters. If the property is self-acquired property of parents, not transferred legally to children, then children do not acquire a legal right to reside merely because they are family members. 3. Emotional claims cannot override law. The court clarified. Moral expectations are different from legal rights. Parenthood does not permanently surrender ownership. 4. Welfare Act has real teeth. The court upheld that authorities can pass eviction orders. Protection of senior citizens is the primary objective of the 2007 Act. Part 5. Is this judgment shocking for senior citizens? Yes, but in two different ways. Why some senior citizens may feel shocked. Many elderly parents still believe children automatically have rights over the house. Parents cannot legally remove them. Family disputes must be silently tolerated. This judgment breaks that myth. The law says respect is not optional and harassment has consequences. Why this judgment is actually reassuring? For law-abiding senior citizens, this decision is empowering, not frightening. It confirms you are not helpless. Your property remains yours. The law protects your dignity. The court sent a strong message. Old age should not become a period of legal vulnerability. Part 6. Legal principles emerging from the judgment. From this case, the following principles emerge. 1. Senior citizens can seek eviction of abusive children. 2. Residents' rights do not arise from relationship alone. 3. Maintenance tribunal orders carry legal authority. 4. Courts will prioritize welfare and dignity of elders. 5. Property ownership prevails over emotional entitlement. Part 7. Important practical lessons for families. This judgment teaches both generations important lessons. For senior citizens: maintain clear ownership documents. Avoid informal arrangements. Use legal remedies early. Do not suffer harassment silently. For children: parents' property is not automatic inheritance. Legal rights arise only through gift, will, transfer, and succession after death. Part 8. Larger social message. India is witnessing increasing nuclear families, property disputes within families, rising complaints by elderly parents. Courts across India are now reinforcing one principle: filial responsibility is both moral and legal. The judiciary is making it clear. Senior citizens cannot be turned into strangers inside their own homes. Final takeaway: the real message of the case. So, is this judgment shocking? It is shocking only for those who believe parents have no legal power. But for senior citizens seeking dignity and safety, this judgment is a shield, not a shock. It restores confidence that law stands beside elderly parents. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and press the bell icon for more legal insights. You may also join this channel by clicking the join button below this video and support my efforts in spreading legal awareness among citizens. Jai Hind! Jai Bharat!